Today I'm going to show you how to make a caramelised onion and cider sausage roll. Before I start, I just want to apologise slightly for the footage on this video. Unfortunately, while filming I actually dropped my camera, which has made it have a bit of a hissy fit. So some of the footage, it kind of bops up and down throughout. So I do want to apologise firstly for that. It was still a really good recipe, but it kind of threw me off while I was filming. You will need 8 sausages or 1 pack of sausage meat, 500 grams of puff pastry. I have used my own rough puff pastry, which I will put in the description below, a link to that if you want to try that yourself. 1 red onion, 1 apple, 1 egg, 100 millilitres of cider, 1 tablespoon of oil, and you will need some plain flour for rolling out. Firstly, you want to chop your red onion up, and then you want to peel and chop your apple up as well. Then in a saucepan over a low heat, you want to add your oil, your onion and your apple, and sweat these over a low heat for 5 minutes. Then add your cider, and you want to keep this on a low heat to reduce it down. This took another 5 to 10 minutes. Then allow your mixture to cool. Then in a bowl you want to add your sausages. So if you are using sausage meat, you just want to put it in the bowl, but if you are using sausages, you want to deskin them first. Then add your onion mix and mix really well. Then on a pre-floured surface you want to roll out your pastry. Now I will note I did roll this out slightly too thin, so please don't roll it out as thin as I did. It made it awkward at the end. Once rolled into a long thin rectangle, you want to cut your rectangle in half, which will then leave you 2 long thin sausage rolls. Then put your sausage mix in the middle of your rectangles. And then, having pre-beaten my egg, I just want to coat one side of each rectangle. Fold over the pastry to enclose the sausage meat. And then just using a fork, I'm just going to press down those edges. Not only does it seal the sausage rolls better, but it also makes a nice edge. Then you want to chop your sausage rolls into the sizes that you want. So you can just leave one long sausage roll, or I've done bite-sized pieces. Then place these on a pre-lined baking tray. Then using the rest of the beaten egg, we just want to egg wash the top. And then pop in a preheated oven at gas mark 6, 200 degrees centigrade or 170 fan assisted for 35 minutes. And there you have it. That's how you make caramelised onion and cider sausage rolls.